Welcome back. Today we are tackling a fascinating bit manipulation problem called Decode XORed Array. This is a great problem for understanding the reversible properties of the exclusive OR operation. Here is the problem statement. We are provided with an encoded array and a starting integer called first. This encoded array was originally built by taking the XOR of adjacent elements in a hidden array. Our goal is to reverse this process and recover the original array. Before we solve it, let's quickly review how XOR works. XOR stands for exclusive OR. It returns 0 if bits are the same and 1 if they are different. You can essentially think of it as a difference detector. The key to solving this problem lies in a specific property of XOR. If a XOR B equals C, then it is also true that a XOR C equals B. This means the operation is reversible. We can swap terms across the equal sign using the same operator. Let's apply this property to our array equation. We know that the encoded element at index I is the result of XORing the original element at I with the original element at I plus 1. By rearranging this, we find that the next element in the original array is simply the current element XORed with the encoded value. Let's walk through an example to make this concrete. We have an encoded array of 1, 2, 3, and the first element is given as 1. We need to find the remaining 3 hidden numbers. We start with our known first element, which is 1. To find the second element, we XOR the first element with the first value in the encoded array. 1 XOR 1 equals 0, so our second element is 0. Now we move to the next position. We take our newly found 0 and XOR it with the next encoded value, which is 2. 0 XOR 2 is 2, so the third element in our array is 2. Finally, we take the current value of 2 and XOR it with the last encoded value, which is 3. 2 XOR 3 is 1. We have now successfully decoded the entire array. Here is how we implement this in Python. We initialize our result list with the first variable. Then, we loop through every number in the encoded array. At each step, we calculate the next value using the XOR operation and append it to our list. Finally, we return the full list. This solution is highly efficient. The time complexity is big O of n because we iterate through the input array exactly once. The space complexity is big O of 1, assuming we don't count the space needed for the output result, as we only use a constant amount of extra memory.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.